Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Brilliant Diamond on PC. Emulating Nintendo Switch games like Pokémon Brilliant Diamond on your computer is achievable with the right tools. Yuzu is a well-known emulator that allows you to experience these titles. You will need a capable PC and legally obtained game files to begin your adventure. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can enjoy the game. Getting Yuzu ready involves a few key steps. First, download the latest version directly from the official Yuzu website to ensure you have the most stable and feature-rich build. Next, you will need to install the necessary product keys and system firmware, which are vital for the emulator to function correctly. Finally, take some time to adjust your graphics, audio, and controller settings to match your system and preferences, aiming for the best possible experience. Once Yuzu is set up, the next step is to acquire your game. It is crucial to obtain your Pokémon Brilliant Diamond game files legally, for example, by dumping them from your own Nintendo Switch console. Make sure these files are in a format Yuzu supports, typically NSP or XCI. Then, simply add the folder containing your game to Yuzu's game list and double-click the title to start playing. To get the best experience, you might need to fine-tune Yuzu's settings. Experiment with the advanced graphics and CPU options to find a balance between visual quality and smooth performance. Regularly updating your graphics drivers is also essential, as new versions often bring significant performance improvements for emulators. If you encounter any issues, remember that Yuzu has a large and helpful online community ready to offer solutions and advice.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.